Hello viewers, welcome. In this video we'll be talking about high-tech gizmos. In this case, this is a Delonghi ceramic space heater. What we really like about this space heater that we picked up is not only it packs 1500 watts of power, it also has high-end features. For example, it has a digital thermostat that controls the temperature, and it also has 24-hour timer and has Eco Plus functionality. This allows you to actually save energy also when you're using a space heater. And of course, best of all, it's actually nice and small. You can carry it around and move it from room to room. Space heaters like this one draw air into the heater and then blow it out the front to warm your room. Now, because of that, there are precautions you always have to look out for. For example, making sure that there are no combustible materials blocking the airflow. And just always keep away anything like beddings, towels, and stuff like that. It's always good to read the safety warnings. In addition, this space heater also has a safe heat function with thermal shutoff and tip over switch, so it can detect that if the heater is actually knocked over, it will actually shut the heater off. And it has a antifreeze standby switch, which we'll be showing, that warms up the heater when the temperature goes below freezing. As you can see, again, it has a digital room thermostat, Eco Plus functionality on the button over there, number 2. Number 3, it has power settings you can set for the temperature. And summer ventilation is really the fan. You can turn in fan mode. And has an oscillating base, so you can actually turn and rotate. Here's a quick look at the model number, HFX60O15l. And let's open it up and see what's included. And there is the Delonghi space heater. Looks really small, and it is very lightweight. As I pull this thing out, put it on the floor, and there's also a manual. So we'll remove the plastic bag, and let me see, on this manual it actually has a support number to call if you need assistance. I don't think we will be needing it. We've plugged in the power, and you can see there's a red LED that glows near the top that indicates that the space heater is getting power but is off. And let's give you a quick tour of the space heater. So let's walk around. Nothing interesting on the side. Let me rotate here. And the back, there's a filter. See if I can open this filter and give you a good look at it. This probably help keep the dust out while it draws air in. You can actually open this thing and you can actually clean it. So really cool. It draws air in, so you want to make sure this is not blocked. And the heat will come out the front. Nothing else interesting on the side here either. So let's actually power it on and show you what it has. And the power button's right in the center. Get a good focus right here. And you push the power button, it turns on, and it has a default temperature setting of 72 degrees. You can raise the temperature by hitting the plus, or you can reduce with the minus button. And this is the swivel button. So let's demonstrate the swivel. Let me have you push the button right here, and let's watch it turn. You can see it rotates. As it turns slowly, it distributes the heat evenly, and I can tell you the sound is not very loud at all, so it's definitely not a distraction if you have it in your bedroom. For example, when you're trying to sleep, you don't want too much noise. This doesn't seem to create much of a problem, and we can tell that the convenience of having the oscillating feature is really nice. This is the button again. You can push it again to turn it off, but let me just recenter and then turn it off. There you go, we turn off the oscillating feature. We also want to talk about the mode button here. The mode button has a fan mode. It's great if you're not using during the summer, and it has antifreeze mode for environments where the temperature dips below freezing. And then you also have power modes 1 and 2. Here it's power mode 1. And you can feel the heat coming out from the front vent. And you can use eco mode, save electricity. So it adjusts the heat and power settings. And there's also, of course, the 24-hour programmable timer mode, which we won't be showing, but it's nice to have if you know what temperature you want to set at a particular hour and have it turn on. What we really like about this space heater is its digitally controlled thermostat. This is like a central home heating thermostat you would find at home, where you set the temperature and it'll just maintain the temperature. We also like the fact that it has a fan mode, so that during the hot months you actually don't need to use the heater for a heater. You can use it as a fan. In addition, it has eco mode to save you electricity. Great combination. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.